Hey, it's Tony Okasi, and I just want to show you how to do the back chim down with the Wing Chun butterfly knives. So I just want to do, there's basically 8 sections of it. So I just want to go through 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Just go through them throughout the entire week. And yeah, so let's begin. First, you'll hold it like this. 2 butterfly knives. So then let's do left side first. Chop. Then the right side chop. Left side chop. Right side chop. Left side chop. Right side chop. Get it? Do it again. Left side chop. Right side chop. Left side chop. Right side chop. Get it? One more time. Left side chop. One side chop. Left side chop. One side chop. Get it? Do it really fast. Do a fast motion. Go back to your original pose, like this, like that. Okay? Hope that helps. So like, subscribe to my channel. See you in the next one.